Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to record on BandLab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to BandLab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and record on BandLab. First of all, as I already told you, launch it and click on the create button or the plus button to start a new project. So it is here in the top right corner. Then click on the add track button and select voice or mic to create a new audio track for recording. Ensure your microphone is connected and working properly. Adjust input levels if necessary. Then turn on monitoring by clicking the headphone icon next to the auto page button so you can hear yourself while recording. Hit the record button and start performing. The track will capture your audio. Then click the stop button. When you're done, your recording will appear as an audio region on the track. Make sure any necessary edits, then save your project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.